What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're putting on a front disc guard on this 2024 YZ450FX. Our all-new Yamaha front disc guard will help protect the front end of your Yamaha with superior protection. Designed to not only protect the front brake rotor, which if bent or damaged will end your ride in your tracks, it will also protect the left fork lug. Our full wrap design ensures that the front and lower side of your brake rotor is fully protected from rocks, roots, and roost. Simple to install and remove, this is a no-brainer in the protection pieces needed for your Yamaha for technical off-road riding. Now this bike is protected and ready for battle. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date. See you out on the trail.